Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 47th question of the number theory chapter. So the question says 4 distinct positive integers add up to 18. What is the difference between the maximum possible product of these 4 integers and minimum possible product of these 4 integers? These are positive integers and they are distinct. It is given to me. So now before starting this question, we'll cover a concept quickly. If I have two numbers a plus b, let us say they add up to 20. Then if I have to maximize, and they are integers, if I have to maximize a into b, that will only happen when a and b are given equal values. So 20 by 2 if I do, that will be 10 and 10 if I give, which is 100. So 100 is the maximum possible product here. If I have to minimize the product, then I will give one of them as the value 1, the other one is the remaining value. So one of them is given as 1, the other is given then 19. So this is how you get the maximum and minimum values. So to get maximum values, the integers that are there have to be as close as possible. Here in this case, there is no restriction on a and b, like both of them can be equal also. So I made the difference between them to be 0. So it is 10 and 10. If you have to minimize the product, then you have to space them out as much as possible. Okay, the same logic will apply here. Now it says 4 distinct integers add up to 18. So let those 4 integers be a, b, c, d. They add up to 18. We have to find the difference between the maximum possible product and the minimum possible product. So to first of all, over here, as we learned that maximum product happens when all of them are as close as possible. Now these are 4 distinct positive integers. If I do 18 upon 4, I will get 4.5. So all of them have to be integer closest to 4.5. Okay, so 4.5 is, it becomes the minimum, it becomes the average value. Then b I can take as 4 and c as 5. A I can then take as, and these are distinct numbers also. Okay, a and b are distinct, a, b, c, d are distinct. So it is 4, 5. And then over here a will become 3 and this will become 6. If you add all of them, that will become 18. 3 plus 4, 7, 5, 12, 12 and 16 is 18. This is the case when all of them are as close as possible. Okay, so in this case the product will be, so here it is a max case, I'll write that. This is the max case. All of them are as close to 4.5 as possible and with distinct integer values. So now product will be 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18, 4 into 5 is 20. So 18 into 20, 18 2s are 36. So this is 360. So maximum product is 360. Now in the minimum case what we learned? We take one of them as 1 in this case and the other one as the maximum. So assign minimum possible values to each one of them and the remaining is to the maximum one. So one of them has to be 1 because they are positive integers. Then the other one is 2, they are distinct. The other one is 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. The remaining is 12. So it is 12 here. That is 18. This is the minimum case. So the minimum product comes out to be 1 into 2 into 3 into 12. So 2 into 3 is 6, 12 into 6 is 72. What do we have to find? We have to find the difference between the maximum and minimum products. So maximum product is 360, minimum is 72. So difference is 360 minus 72, which is equal to 360 minus 60 is 300 and further 12 minus, which is 288. So 288 is the right answer to this question. Okay.